Hi there, welcome to I can apply exponential functions in a more advanced method. So this is just a continuation of our last lesson, and we've got a problem to look at. Membership in Cribbage Club declined at a rate of 5% per year for the period 2000 to 2005. This should be 2000, sorry about that, 2000, there were 54 members. About how many members were there in 2003? Okay, so looking at this problem, it says a rate of 5% declined. Okay, so that tells me it's decay. A rate of 5%. Okay, so we're going to take that rate of 5 and put it over 100 and turn it into 0.05. Okay. In 2000 there were 54 members, so that's how much we are starting with. How many were there in 2003? Okay, so looking at this equation, we'd have y equals, what are we starting with? 54 times, okay, we are decaying at a rate of 0.05, so we'd have 1 minus 0.05 to a certain time. Okay, well, from 2000 to 2003, that's 3 years. So something I want to look at, okay, this rate, 5%, and we know it's decay, that's the decay rate. That's the rate it's decaying. But if we simplify this equation, y equals 54 times, okay, what is 1 minus 0.05? Oh, 0.95 to the third. This number in here, when it is simplified, is the decay factor. Okay, good to be able to recognize that. That's the decay factor. So that's how we would get that, knowing that 0.95 is the same as 1 minus 0.05. Okay? So we're going to plug this into our calculator and get an answer. Okay, I get an answer of like 46.29. Okay, well, we're talking about people here. It says how many members were there. So we would say about 46 members. We can't have part of a person. We can have that argument later, but we won't. So about 46 members in that year. Okay, hey, if you don't have a calculator, super important you get one. Okay, I want you to take a look at this problem. So decide whether the following is exponential growth, decay, or linear. Then find the growth or decay factor for the exponential functions. So I have 5 equations here. I just want you to do that. Write them down, write growth or decay or linear, and then if it's exponential, growth or decay, write down the growth or decay factor. Thanks, bring that to class, and thank you so much.